Hey guys, Joelster here, welcome back to the channel. So I noticed that some of you guys already purchased, or maybe you're in the market to purchase a screen for your ultra short throw laser projector. Now in my case, I have the 𝗏𝗏 4K laser projector, and in this video I thought of putting together some suggestions to help you maximize the picture quality to get better colors, better contrast, and also I'm going to explain to you a little bit of the differences between the models that are out there in the market: CLR, CLR2, CLR3. So if you're interested in this kind of video, welcome to the channel guys. I'm Joelster and let's do this. So before you buy your screen, you gotta make sure that you're getting the right material. There are three different models to choose from: CLR, CLR2, and CLR3. Now CLR is the best performer since it has 95% light rejection and it produces better blacks. It also preserves better color saturation under ceiling ambient lights. Now CLR2 main advantage is that it's not as delicate as CLR and CLR3, which have horizontal lens structure designed only to accept ultra short or projector light. CLR2 has a similar sawtooth structure but more open to accept ultra short throw and short throw projectors, and has a laminated coating to protect it for dry erase function. Now CLR3 does not reject as much light, but it's still way better than using a matte white screen under ceiling ambient lights. Now one of the most basic but important things you must check when installing the screen is to properly place the screen according to the arrows. You see, if the screen is upside down, then the CLR material will absorb the projector light and make the image look bad and dark. You can also notice by looking at the screen. The upper side looks white while the side that goes down looks gray. Now another important factor is to make sure the ambient light is not hitting the screen from the same source as the projector light or hitting it from a big open window on the side. Now this makes the image appear washed out, and dark images will suffer the most since they rely on detail, and the more ambient light is trying to battle coming from direct angle, the worse the picture will be. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I hope this was helpful to you to maximize your picture quality when using this kind of screens and also this kind of ultra short throw laser projector. In the meantime, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you enjoy this kind of content. I'm Joelster, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Joelster out!
Elite screens. Get the big picture.